I want to thank you for being here with us today at our charity, St. Jude's Children's Research Hospital. As we gather to help the sick children today, I also want you to think about all of our blessings. Let's keep a healthy perspective on what's really important. Some of our kids today here are going to win blue ribbons, some are going to win yellow ribbons and white ribbons, and I want you all to truly understand that the color of the ribbon does not matter. These babies are pursuing their love of riding horses, and they're learning critical life skills along the way. They're learning how to win and lose. They're learning how to handle the pressure of performing on a stage. I want you to understand that these riders represent my hope for the future. It's always been my goal to leave this world a little better than I found it. And in order to do that, the only way I have figured out is to try to make exponential change. And through that, if all of us together can instill in these children the importance of looking outside of themselves, if we can instill in them an understanding of how blessed they are, and if we can send them out into this world ready to think beyond themselves, then we will have truly done something righteous with our life. And that's what this is all about. That's what this barn is all about. I believe that God works through these horses to touch our lives and our children's lives. So thank you for coming together today and helping us to support and to rally around these children.
It was so tough. The judge says everybody gets a blue ribbon.
Every child today, regardless of their ribbon color, I want them to leave here knowing that they are a winner, and they are. And I want everybody to leave here today looking at these beautiful children and knowing how blessed we are, because when we tuck them in tonight, we have healthy, beautiful, safe, smart, incredible babies. And together, we'll send them out in this world in a storm, a firestorm, to take on the world.